Hey girlfriends, I wanted to take a moment, just a moment, and go over a how-to because one of the most often questions I get asked is, hey Tiandra, what is a great way or what is the best way to reduce frizz for curls, especially if your hair is in that wavy curly category, or you find yourself frustrated that your hair is confused and it's not really wavy and it's not really straight and it's not really curly. I have some tips for you that are really going to take your curl game up a notch. Okay, and number one, it starts in the shower. Did you guys know? It starts in the shower. Before you even start adding styling aid to your hair, there is a lot that you can do to enhance your natural curl pattern in the shower while you rinse out your conditioner. Because curly girls know that it's not just all about the product. Technique plays a big part in really helping your hair reach its full potential. Okay guys, welcome to my shower. We're gonna get to know each other a lot better. Here I am with freshly shampooed hair. I'm gonna apply this smoothing deep conditioner from Monat, which is my favorite. And what I'm gonna do is flip my head over and apply just a small amount of conditioner. Now I know, girls, you're probably like, for reals, that's it? That's all I'm using? Yeah, this stuff's real legit. It's very concentrated. This is all you're gonna need, and I do have quite a bit of hair. So I am gonna start smoothing this conditioner through my hair. And as I'm gonna be doing this, I'm gonna be finger combing to help get out any knots and get out any tangles and remove any shed hair that comes naturally throughout the day, okay? So, finger combing, key. Grow on your arms. They're really great at gently removing tangles and smoothing that out. If you don't want to use your fingers, use a wide tooth comb, okay? I don't recommend using a wet brush because that really breaks up the curl patterns that we're trying to enhance here, okay? Brush out any of the tangles that you have, pull out any stray hairs, get everything nice and smooth. You're gonna feel a lot of slip while you're doing this, okay? And once that feels ready, I want you to see the magic happening when we do the squish to condish. So turn on the cold water. This is nice because you don't have to get all the cold water all over your body. Use cold water because it helps to smooth out the cuticle. You put some water in your hands and then you squish to condish. This is where the name comes from because as you lift your hands up towards your scalp, you're going to hear that quish, quish, quish noise, okay? Now, why this works. Watch my hair as it goes from really frizzy and poofy to having more unified hair clumps. This is what gives you those nice, big, fat, thick, juicy curls that are awesome, that everybody wants, okay? It really clarifies the curl pattern while helping to reduce frizz at the same time because you're super saturating the cuticle at the same time you're applying the conditioner. Doing it this way also rinses out just the right amount of conditioner. So you do leave in some of that conditioner. You don't over rinse out. But the main thing that's happening is as I'm squishing, okay, I'm super saturating that cuticle at the same time the conditioner is applied, so I'm dramatically going to reduce frizz. So not only am I helping bring out those curls, really making that wave rock, okay, it's doing a lot to help the cuticle. So you can, some people ask, well, I really feel like I need to get more water on there. You can go right ahead and put your head under the shower, directly into the stream or under the faucet head. I'm going to get a close-up so you can see the texture has really changed in my curls. And this is all with conditioner, folks, just a nickel size. You saw that tiny little dollop. And I'm squishing up to my scalp all the way, okay, until I feel like I'm done, like I've rinsed it all out. So you cup your hands. This is a close-up. You put the water, you gather the curls in it, you squish up to your head, and as you bring the clumps, okay, gathered in the little water cups in your hand, as you squish it up to your head, you're going to squish, 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 and you'll see that those curls are now in fat little ringlets, okay? And this is all with the conditioner. Now I'm going to squish, squish, squish until it stops dripping, okay? Very important. Squish, squish, squish all the way till it stops dripping. And then at that point, you want to grab a t-shirt. You do not want to grab a cotton spun towel, okay? Go for the t-shirt. The reason being it's going to significantly reduce frizz just using a t-shirt, okay? Cotton fiber towels have higher pile that really catches on the hair and roughs up the cuticle. Pressing up the moisture, Squish to Condish style up to your scalp to remove any of the excess moisture. This is also a great time that you can plop your hair, wet plop your hair while you finish up getting ready. Okay, so this is straight out of shower. Look at these thick curls, you guys. Look at these ringlets. This is what Squish to Condish gives you. It is a beautiful canvas, a beautiful starting point to then apply styling aid. Okay, you can diffuse, you can plop, but this is a great place to start with because it helps to clarify your curl pattern and really enhance what nature gave you. Okay, so from here, just finish up how you normally style your hair. So I hope you got some value from this video. These are some good tips. If you did find value, please subscribe to my channel so that you can stay up to date on ways that you can have more great hair days. Take care, guys.